friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. I'm here to do the giveaway for the tag of the month, you know, the little card tag and journaling cards that I made from the tag of the month kit for August. And I did a giveaway and I had lots of entries, and so the deal was you were to comment, you know, be a subscriber, be over 18, comment on the giveaway video and the previous video where I made and created the little journal cards and tags, and whatever else I said there. I think there was something else, but anyway, you know, via visible to subscriber and all that. So I thought I'd do something different and fun, you know, kind of like, you know, we all like to be different and fun, right? So I have put everybody's name down here on a piece of paper and numbered them, and then I put the numbers in my little bingo game here. So, and I want to show you real quick before I pull one out in case you've never seen a bingo game like this before. So what you do is you twirl this, and then one comes out, and then you have your number. So in case it's a 6 or a 9, how we're going to determine if it's a 6 or a 9, you know, because if you turn it upside down, it's a 6, and one way or the other, it's a 9 or a 6. There's a little letter on top of these little bingo balls. There's a little letter on top. So if the letter's on top, that's how we distinguish if it's upright or upside down. So we'll look for the letter on top if it's a 9 or a 6, and then we'll determine whether it's upside down or not. And that way we'll know if it's a 6 or a 9. We probably won't even get a 6 or a 9, but I wanted to explain that in case we do get a 6 or a 9, so no one's confused. So let's just get started without delay. You know, this should be a short video, right? And this was open worldwide, so let's go. And hopefully, I'm not usually the one that does this, so hopefully I didn't even practice, so hopefully I do this right. So, here's one in here. Let me get that back in the little cage here. Okay, see, this is empty, so I'm not like trying to cheat or anything. This is where the ball comes out in this little thing here. They're all in there, all the numbers. So let's see, I think I have to, I don't know, I'm going to leave it like that and see what happens. So, does it turn around? Yes, it does. There's one in there, and it's in there, and I guess we have our winner. Okay. So that one fell in there, so do I keep turning? Because I thought it fell out into the little slot here. Let's see if it does. I see the number in case it doesn't fall out, but let's see if it falls out. I'm kind of... Yeah, there it comes. See? It fell out. Here it is. Okay, I'm going to pick it up and show you. Number 12. Woo! Okay, now I got to tell you who that is. Number 12 is G's Tidbits. Woo! G's Tidbits. Huge. Yay, G. Okay. Yes, G makes lots of fun things over on her channel. She has a YouTube channel, and she creates lots of beautiful cards. I know. I've watched a lot of her card videos. So go over there and check her out and subscribe to her channel. But G has one, so if you will, I do not have your address, G, so my email is always below my videos. So if you will email me your address, I will send you your little package here. So yay, so happy, so exciting. So anyway, that's the winner of this giveaway. And like I said, this was number 1 of 3 for my 2,000 subscriber video. So look out for the next one. I'm not going to announce it yet. I think I know what it is going to be that I'm going to give away. Actually, I'm kind of narrowing it down 1 of 2 things. Maybe it'll be both. I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but I'm not kind of like scheduling anything. I'm just kind of just winging this and playing it by ear as to when I think would be a good time to do it. So anyway, congratulations to G. Thank you for everyone for entering. And, you know, I'll see you next time. Thank you. Happy crafting.